Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about something quite fascinating. It is a substance called Shilajit. You may have heard people discussing it recently. Perhaps you've seen it mentioned online or in health shops. Shilajit is often called the conqueror of mountains or the destroyer of weakness. These are very powerful names, aren't they? For centuries, it has been a cornerstone of traditional Ayurvedic medicine. This ancient Indian system of health focuses on balance in the body. Shilajit is a sticky, tar-like substance. It can range in color from a light brown to a very dark, almost blackish brown. It has a very distinctive, earthy smell. So, what is it made of? Shilajit is a complex mixture. It is rich in minerals and organic compounds. The most important of these is something called fulvic acid. We will talk more about fulvic acid later on. It also contains over 84 different minerals in their ionic form. This means they are easier for our bodies to absorb and use. Think of it as a natural mineral-rich tar that has been slowly created by nature over a very long time. People have used it for thousands of years, believing it could restore energy, improve vitality, and support overall health and well-being in many different ways. Now let's explore where Shilajit comes from. It is quite an amazing natural process. Shilajit is not something that is grown or manufactured in a factory. It is formed over many centuries in high-altitude mountain ranges. Himalayas, Altai Mountains, Caucasus Mountains, other mountain ranges. It is a product of a very slow decomposition of plant matter. Think about ancient forests with rich, diverse plant life. Plants, herbs, mosses trapped between layers of rock. The immense pressure from the mountains slowly transforms them. This transformation is a very special process, like compost but on a much grander, longer timescale. The intense pressure from the weight of the mountains plus cycles of freezing and thawing work on this plant matter. Microorganisms also play a key role. Over time, this creates a dense, nutrient-rich, tar-like resin. This resin is Shilajit. In summer, the sun warms the rocks, the resin oozes from cracks. This is when it's traditionally harvested. Harvesting Shilajit is difficult. So, why do people take Shilajit? Let's look at the health benefits, both from traditional use and what modern science is starting to discover. One of the most well-known benefits is its ability to boost energy and reduce fatigue. This is a primary reason it was used in Ayurveda. The high concentration of minerals and fulvic acid is thought to play a big role here. Fulvic acid helps transport minerals and nutrients directly into our cells. That can improve mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the tiny powerhouses that produce energy. Better mitochondria equals less fatigue and more vitality. Another area of interest is brain health. Traditional texts say Shilajit enhances memory and cognitive function. Modern research is starting to test this. Early studies suggest neuroprotective properties. Shilajit is also linked to heart health and physical performance. It's rich in minerals like iron, which can support healthy blood. Finally, Shilajit has a history of supporting male health and fertility. Now this is a very important part of our conversation. While Shilajit has many potential benefits, we must also talk about safety and risks. The most significant risk comes from the quality of the Shilajit itself. Because it is harvested from mountains, raw, unprocessed Shilajit can be contaminated. It might contain heavy metals like lead, mercury, arsenic. It can also have other impurities or even fungal growth. Consuming contaminated Shilajit can be very harmful to your health. This is why it is absolutely crucial to only use Shilajit that has been properly purified and tested for safety. So how can you ensure you are getting a safe product? You should always buy from a reputable and trusted company. A good company will provide a certificate of analysis or lab test results. Even with a pure product, some people might experience side effects. Some individuals may develop a rash. Others might experience an upset stomach. Shilajit can lower blood pressure. Pregnant women should avoid it. Talk with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting. To sum up, Shilajit is a truly remarkable natural substance. It is born from the slow, powerful processes of the earth in high mountain ranges. For thousands of years, it has been a respected part of Ayurvedic tradition. Used to enhance energy support, the mind promote overall vitality. Its rich composition includes fulvic acid and more than 84 essential minerals. That gives it a unique profile capturing interest of ancient healers, modern scientists. The history is rich and complex, a glimpse into ancient wellness practices. Modern science is beginning to validate some traditional uses. Early research points to benefits for energy production, brain health, heart function, male fertility. Fulvic acid seems key for enhancing nutrient absorption at the cellular level, but approach with a sensible, informed mindset. The risk of contaminated Shilajit is real. Choose reputable brands that share third-party lab tests confirming purity and safety. So, is Shilajit right for you? Do your research and speak with your doctor before adding it to your routine.